Emily, Bebop, come on. Come on.
Saying they're spoiled, but they pretty much only want to take their pills with this special chicken that we get.
Yes. Oh, Bebop isn't supposed to get too much of this particular treat, but it seems to be the only thing he wants to eat his pills on. Hey, and look, he left it. He's too smart for me. Attempt number 2. Don't drop it, don't drop it. Don't drop it. Okay. Dad knows what you do when you try to drop the pill. Good boy. Okay, who's hungry? Good girl, Bebop. Sit. Bebop. He didn't sit, but he's... Eat.